25% off on hotels. तो बिल्कुल से को आई को करें
class concept. Right. So can you hear me, all of you? All of you guys, can you hear me, right? So today let's talk about type conversions, guys. Type conversions. Type conversions. So in the previous class we discussed about which one input function, right? Input function. And here we know two things about this one. One is so it is used to read the data from user, right? This is the purpose of input function. The second one is it reads the data in a string format. In which format? String format. All of you, it reads data in which format? String format, right? So string format. So at that time what happened? So if you try to read the two numbers from user and perform the addition operation, but it was not done the addition, right? It was done which one? Concatenation operation. Okay. If you observe the previous one, when you try to perform the addition operation, but it has done the concatenation, not the addition, Okay. So here in this case, what we do, we have to change the data type, right? We have to change the data type, guys. Somewhere it is there. Okay. For recap purpose, I'll do it again. So I'm going to open IDLE, right? So now reading the data from user, I'm going to read the data from user. So first one, observe all of you here. So input, enter, right? Suppose first number, right? Assigned to some A. I am giving the 10. Again, input, enter. Second number, right? Number assigned to what here? B. I am giving 20. Then A plus B assigned to some C, right? Then print of C. It was a 10, 20. It was 10, 20. Why? Because types of both A and B are strings. String plus string, right? String plus string is concatenation. So here concatenation is done, not the addition. Now I want to perform the addition, then we have to change the types of these variables. If we change the types of variables, then we perform the addition operation. Okay. Then how to change the types of these variables means there we use the type conversion functions, right? There are two types, guys. The two ways to convert the data types. First one is by using typecasting functions. The second one we can use the eval function also. Typecasting functions means it means see, actually here we have five types of data, right? We have five types of data. Like this is the one type, which one string. In that way we have, okay, int type data is there, okay. Next one, float type data is there, and also bool type data is there, and complex type data is there, right? And string type data is there. So five types of data, right? Generally, for int type data, int function is there, guys. Which function? Int function is there. For float type data, we have the float function. For bool type data, we have bool function. And for complex type data, Python supports complex function. And for string type data, it supports a string function also. Means for every type there is a separate function for converting the type, right? Generally, int function mainly allows integer values. Okay, allows only integer conversion only, guys. Float function allows only float conversion only, and bool function allows bool conversion. Okay. Suppose I give an example. All of you. The int function allows integer value only, not the float values. Means the int function mainly for integer conversion. The float value mainly for float conversion. It allows integer values also, but in the form of the float. Okay. Let's see one example. Int and float. So here sometimes we don't know what value the user can give. The user can give integer values or float values, or both integer only, or both float only, or maybe one to one float. We don't know, right? In that case, I can't use always int function. I can't use always float function. Okay. Let us try now. The same operation I'll do by using int conversion, by int function, and also let us try float conversion, guys. So here the same line I'm copy and paste here, and just I'm trying to give which one here, int function for integer conversion purpose. I am giving 10. Okay. Next one, I take here, click there. Then here also I'm taking now int. I'm taking now int here, I am giving 20 now, right? Then a plus b assigned to c, then print of c is a 30 now. This is how much now? 30. So why 30 means see, I am giving which value here, integer, right? Integer value. This value taking by which function? First function, input function, right? Input function, which format? It takes in the string format. String format means quotes like this. It takes in this format, right? And then what next one? Int function is there. So now the string converts into integer type. Integer type means it takes just 10 like this. Then the integer value assigned to variable. Which value? Integer value assigned. Next one, what is there here? 20 is there. The 20 first taking by which function? First input function, right? Input function. Which format? First, which function, right? Which format again? String format only. String means quotes will be added here, and then convert into which type? Integer type. Means it takes as integer number, and then assign to b. Now b contains the integer value. A contains integer value. B also contains integer value. So both integers. That's why it performed what here? Addition operation. Guys, right? And also check now type of A, which one? Int. Type of B, which one? And you can see result type of C also int, right? I am giving both integers. Okay, no problem, it allowed. But sometimes we can have one int, one float also. One int, one float also. Keep the cursor anywhere, click enter. I am giving again 10 integer value only. Okay, very good. Now again keep the cursor here, click enter. I am giving now 20.5. How much I am giving now? 20.5. I want to add 10 plus 20.5. It gives error now. Why? Simple reason is the int function does not allow which values are float values. It allows only integer values, right? Suppose let's take the calculator, guys, right? It's also a program. It's also one program. I can give 10 plus 20. Yes, possible. Right? Both integer possible. I can give 10 plus 20.5. Yes, it is possible, right? It is possible. 30.5. But here I am giving same 10 plus 20.5. It is not allowing the 20.5. Why? It's a float value, and we are using which one here? Int function. Okay, that's why we should not use a int if we don't know what type of value is going to be given by user. If I am sure that user gives compulsory integer values only, we can use the int function. If you don't know, the user can give either integer value or float value or bool value. At that time, we should not use a specific type. Right? This is integer. Now we have a doubt, sir. Can I use the float, sir? Can I use the float? Yes. All of you observe. I am going to take this one, and in place of the int function, I am going to use as a which one now? Float. Yes. I am giving a first float function, right? Float where I am giving okay. Then one more I am taking now. One more I am taking, and let's take what here. I'll take again now float. Yes, I am giving now 9.5, guys. 9.5. 10.5, 9.5. A plus B assigned to C. Now print of C 20.5. Okay. So we are using the float function and giving both float values only, no problem, right? No problem is there. But now I give one float, one integer now. First float only 10.5. Next I am giving integer. I am giving integer just only 9, not 9.5. The question is, does the float function allows integer value or not? Previously, the int function does not allow which one float value. But now reverse, the float function does allow int value or not. It allows, but not as integer, as a float value like 9.0. The float function allows integer value, but as a float value like it adds dot 0, 9.0, 9.0. Then you can see now a plus b assigned to c, then print of c, you can see now, right? 19.5. And check the types also. Check the type for type of a, which type of float, and type of b, type of which type again float type. Even though I am giving integer value, but it's allowing as a float value, guys. Taking as a float value, right? Like 9 point like this. Print of b, check once 9.0. So I don't want like this also. I want to take int as a if I give integer value. Take float if I give the float value. I don't want change the type at runtime, sir. If I give integer value, take integer only, as integer only, as integer only. If I give the float, take as a float only. I don't want a runtime conversion. In that case, we go for which one? Evolve. Evolve, right? Evolve, guys, here. All of you. Okay. So we don't know what type of value user is going to give. Does he is going to get value, float value, bool value? If you don't know, in that case, better to avoid which one these typecasting functions. If I am sure that user is going to compulsorily integer values only, or is going to give compulsorily float values, or take int as a float also, no problem. In that case only, we can go with what here typecasting functions, right? So now eval function is there. Eval means if you give integer value, it converts as integer only. If I give float value, it converts as a float value only. If I give bool, it converts as a bool type only. Bool type only. Okay. So in that case, let's see one example. Let's see one example here. I do same example in 3 cases. One is by taking the both integer values, and one more by taking the both the float values, and one more by taking the one int one float value. One int and one float value. Okay. Right. So I am taking which one here not a float, I am going to take as a eval. Okay, I am giving both integers. First of all, I am going to give both integers. Which one here also eval, right? Now I am giving 20. Now check once here, c equal to r a plus b what c, then print of c. Now check once type of a is what here integer, and type of b is what integer. Observe now. So which value given? Int value given. So it converting as a integer only. Converting as a integer only, guys. See evaluation. Okay. So this 10 I am giving now. This 10 integer giving. So first input function take as a string, right? A string value, guys. Means within the course it takes 10 like this, right? And then next eval what does it do? Eval what does it do? Simply the quotes will remove, and what is remaining? 10 is remaining. If you remove the quotes, 10 is remaining. 10 means which value? Given value, right? Given value only. Given value only. That value assigned to the variable a. Now a contains what? String na integer, integer value. Next, so we are giving same now 20 taking by which function? First input function as a string value, right? As string value, observe now. So string like this, and convert by eval. We simply remove the quotes. Next 20 is remaining. The 20 assigned to the b. B contains 20. So both integers, right? Int. Why I am giving integer values only? That's why addition happened. Now, without changing this program, simply I take a float value 1.5, and I give one more float, suppose 2.5. Now check once, C A plus B assigned to C, okay, and print of C 4.0. Now check the types also. Type of A float, type of B also float. Why both floats are there? Because you are given both float values only. Both the float values only. Both are float values, guys. Okay, all of you guys are able to see my screen, right? Mr. Kadapa, sir, can you stop the video call? Actually, on my glass reflecting the white screen, guys. This white screen, right? It's not a video call. It's which one, right? The screen. Okay. And beside just keep a small mobile beside that, because I'm seeing the online, right? Okay. I'm seeing your feedback all, your feedbacks, messages all. So in my glass reflecting which one? This is screen, white screen, right? I think I had to keep the face on some angle so that it won't reflect. Okay. Okay. I think I keep like this, guys. Now I won't get in disturbance. Right. Next one. So now let us try one int value, one float value, guys. Okay. I am giving here int value just a 10, and I'm taking the one more value, that is what here, something float value 10.5 now. 10.5, right? So 10.5. Now, so what's first one? Integer value, right? Integer value. Second one now float, right? Float value. Okay. And then now observe A plus B assigned to what? Assigned to C. Now print of C, guys. Print of C. Now 20.5. Now check once the type of A, and type of B also. Type of A, type of B. Which one? Int float combination, guys. Int float combination. All of you. Are clear now? So like this. So now if you don't know what type of value is going to be user, in that case always what is better one to convert the data type here. Eval is the always better one to convert the data type. Or otherwise I'll do one thing guys. What I'm going to do now, I'll have observe. The theme of the screen I'll change once and let us see any problem still is coming or not here. I'm going to change the theme of this one. Right. Now check once guys, I love you. Now is this better? To avoid that whiteness on my glasses. I love you guys, you reply. So this is better, right? And is this screen comfortable to you to see that all the programs? I love you. Is this theme comfortable to you? Because here different colors are there, right? Different colors are there. Background blue is there, and some white and pink is there, green is there. Different colors are there. So if this is comfortable to you, in both the ways, one is the reflection of my eyes, and also for you, if it's comfortable to see the screen, okay, then I'll use this one, guys. Right? Okay. So now I hope you understand, right? All of you about this type conversion. So finally, which one better, guys? Tell me now. Always, eval is better if you don't know what type of value is going to give by user. If you know that user is going to give all integer values only, at that time you can use int function also. Let's take mobile number is there. Mobile number means what you use compulsorily integer, right? Integer only. Okay, at that time we use int function, right? In that case, okay. If you don't know what type, like see, for example, percentage, guys, percentage. Percentage means it can be integer value or float value, percentage, or CGPA. It can be inter float. At that time, always better which one eval. Eval is the better, guys, right? So next one coming data types of data types, guys. Data types. As we know that how many types of data types are there? Tell me now. How many types data types are there, guys? So first, which one is there? Int, right? Int type is there. Int, and second one float, right? Float type is there. Or is third one bool. Bool type is there. Or is fourth one complex type is there. And what's fifth one string type is there, right? So five types of data types are there. Five types of data types. Int, okay, float, bool, complex, string. So as we know that here we don't declare the type of variable with a specific type, right? We don't declare the type of variable. Simply what we do is we assign the value only, right? We assign the value only. Into means suppose at runtime, see if I give a equal to 10 means if you assign any integer value to a variable, if you assign any integer value to a variable, then at runtime automatically the interpreter decides the type of a as a integer type, as a which type of integer, guys, right? Integer type of all of you, right? So means if you give any int value to variable, okay, then interpreter, guys, interpreter, then interpreter interpreter so decides the type of variable as which one as into type at what time at runtime guys at a runtime. If you give any into value to variable then interpreter decides the type of variable as a integer type at runtime. At runtime means when program executing. So at development time, runtime. Development time, runtime. Development time means just we are making the program. If you run the program, if you execute the program, it's called runtime. Okay. Same here. This is the example of what here? Example of which one? Int, right? Int guys here. Example of int. Now here, type of A is what compulsorily it should be integer type. Integer type, right? Next one, float. Tell me now, float means same. Here are same guys. If you give any float value to a variable, if you give any float value, any float, okay, float value to variable, interpreter decides the type of variable as which type as a float type guys, as a float type, okay. For this also the example will be same. Suppose a equal to 10.5, then type of a is what now? It should be a float, right? It should be float. Next, same. Which type is there? Bool type, right? Okay, same here. If you give any bool value to variable that decides as a bool type only at runtime, right? At runtime. So there are two types of bool values, right? Two types of bool values. One is true, other one is false. Suppose a equal to I am giving true. Then type of a must be which type? Must be boolean type only. That is what here boolean. And the next one complex. So complex means right same. If you give any complex value guys, if you give any complex value to variable, then interpreter decides the type of variable as a complex type at a runtime. And here also if you want to see the one example, so complex number means what? Here it's combination of real plus imaginary value guys. Real plus imaginary. Real plus imaginary. Okay. So type of A, which type now? It is a complex type. Okay, complex type. And the last one is what? String type. Str. If you give any string value to variable, it decides type of variable as a string type. Right, string type. Okay. Again here, now a equal to which one? Python, right? Then type of a must be which one here? String type only, right? String type only, guys. Suppose let's take one example here. I give all of observe now. A equal to I am giving 10. Then type of A is what? Int. Same A equal to 10.5. Then type of A is what? Float. Again A equal to either true or false. Anyone, no problem. Then type of A is what here? Bool. Again A equal to suppose some complex number. Then type of A is what? Complex type. A equal to some string value. Type of A is what now? String type. Oh, that's all of you, right? So these are the different types of data types, guys. So data type, it represents the type of value that is given by the user, right? See here it's saying that int. What does it mean? Means user given some integer value to variable. Hello, right? It's saying the int. Int means what? What does it mean? User given some integer value to variable. It's showing float. What does it mean? The user given some float value to the variable. So the data type represents the type of value which is given by the user. Next, bool. So bool means what does it mean? user given some bool value to variable means this bool represents that the user given some bool value guys, user given some bool value. Okay, next one here. What does the meaning of complex here? It means that for that variable, user given some complex value, some complex value means the data type represents the type of variable. The type of variable is which one? Sorry, the data represents what here? It represents the type of value which is given by the user. Same for the string also. Same for the string also, guys, all of you. So that's why the definition of data type is what here. Definition is it represents the type of it represents the type of variable, the type of the type of value which is given by user, the type of value which is given by user. It's showing the int type means what user given the integer value. It's showing float type means what user given the float value. It's showing bool type means what user given the bool value like this. So these are the which one data types, all of you, data types. Okay, right. Next one, all of observe. Let's see about operators, guys. Let's talk about operators. Right. So what is a operator? Tell me now. What is an operator? All of you. What is an operator? What is a operator? Anyone? Anyone, guys? Anyone? What is operator? Let's consider. Subject 1 minute. All of you. What is operator? Vaishali. Operator is a symbol, sir. Okay. Muhammad Riyaz. Operator symbol which is used to perform some mathematical expressions. Okay. Okay. Very good. Vijay Kumar, which performs some action on operands. Okay. Abhishek, operators are the symbols used to perform some operation. Okay. Kirti, used to perform arithmetic operations. Okay. Vijay Lakshmi, operator is a symbol which is used to perform an operation. Very good. Yes. Yes. All of you guys, everyone is correct. See, operator, correct. Your words are, your answers are correct here. Operator, I'll take for example a plus b, guys. A plus b, a plus b. And here, observe now. Here, plus is what here? Plus is operator. Okay, plus is a operator. Operator. Plus is what here? Operator. Okay, all of you. So here, plus is what now? Plus is operator. Okay, plus is operator. Then A comma B are called what? Tell me now. A comma B are called what here? Are called what? A comma B are called what? A comma B are called what? All of you. Tell me now. A comma B are called what? Vijayalakshmi, operands are. Yes, operands are called what here? They are called operands. Okay, they are called operands. operands, all of you. Operator and operands. Okay, right. So here, that's why, see, operator is a symbol, a symbol, a symbol, or word also, guys. In Python, suppose let's take a and operator is there. Okay, and operator is there. For and symbol is not there. Or operator is there. And not operator is there. In is there. Right? Is there. Okay, is like that. There are some operators where there are no symbols. Symbols are not there. That's why the operators can be a symbol, or it can be a word. It can be a word. Okay, a word, operator symbol or a word, which performs an operation on operands, which performs an operation on operands. Which type of operations are depends on the symbol or word. Which type of operation means depends on the symbol or depends on the word. Depends on the word. Okay, I love you. Right. Now let's see here. Let's see now types of operators. Types of operators. All of you observe types of. Can you guess now, guys? What are the types of operators? Can you guess now? What are the types of operators? Types of operators. Types of operators. All of you guys. Types of operators. All of you. So we have the first one is arithmetic operators, arithmetic operators, arithmetic operators. Okay. Next one. Assignment operators, assignment operators. Okay. Arithmetic assignment. Then next one. Comparison, comparison operators. Fourth one, logical operators. Fifth one, membership operators. Membership operators. The sixth one, identity operators. Identity operators. The seventh one is the bitwise operators. Bitwise operators. Arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, membership operators, identity operators, and bitwise operators. Right. Um, Kirti, you are saying relational operators, right? You are saying relational operators, Surendra Reddy. Comparison operators are also called relational operators. Comparison are also called what here? Relational operators. Okay. Comparison is also called relational operators, right? Now let's go with one by one, guys. What's first one? Arithmetic operators. Tell me now, what are the different types of arithmetic operators again? What are the different types of arithmetic operators? Different types of arithmetic operators. Hmm. Tell me now, what are the different types of arithmetic operators? All of you guys. Joshi, arithmetic, correct? Arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, membership, identity, bitwise operators. Muhammad Riaz, additions, okay. Subtraction, okay. Multiplication, okay. Next one now. So here, addition, subtraction, and multiplication, division. Okay, sorry. Subtraction, division, and then modulus. Right, modulus. All of right. Generally, we know these five are the arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, okay, multiplication, division and modulus, right? Modulus. And extra one more is there, that is called the floor division. Floor division, and also exponent. These are the these are the different types of arithmetic operators. It is called what here? It is called addition operator. This is called what here? Okay, subtraction operator. And this is called what here? Multiplication operator. And this is called what here? Division operator. And this is called what here? Modulus operator. And here, this is called floor division operator. And last one, this is called exponent operators. So these are the arithmetic operators. Now let's talk about one by one, guys. Let's talk about one by one. So now what do I do? I'm going to take two variables now. I'll take two variables. Some a equal to 10 and some b equal to something 5. A 10, b 5. Simple. A plus b addition 15, right? Oh, very good. A minus b 10 minus 5, 10 minus 5, okay? 10 minus 5. Next, a into multiplication b. How much now? How much here? A into b, 10 into 5, 15, right? 50. These three we know. Then a by b. A by b, guys. All of you. A by b. Means a division, right? A division b. So the answer is what here? 2.0. 2.0. Observe now. The output coming the float format here. 2.0. Right? The same I'm taking now. A floor division b. So division and the floor division. See difference, all of you. So floor division means it will not take the point value. It takes directly which one, the int value only, guys. That's called floor division. Division and floor division. Let's see one more example. Let's take some 13 4. Tell me now answer. 13 division 4. 13 by 4. All of you. What is the answer now? 13 by 4. What is the answer now? Thirteen by 4. Muhammad Riaz. 3.25. Okay, 3.25. Maybe 1-2 students doubt, sir, how it's coming, sir? How it is coming, sir? Okay, that also explain, guys, here. That also explain. See, what is requirement? What is the given here? 13 by 4. Okay, so in school days we learn like this, right? First we take the 4, right? And here take the 4, 13 and one more like this. Sorry guys, here which one, here 4, right? 13, right? 13 like this. Now 4, how many times will multiply this one? 3 times, right? 4 into 3, 12, right? 4 3, so 12 coming here, 12 coming. What is remaining? Remaining is 1. Remaining is 1. Now keep the point here, take the 0. Now how many times? 2 times, right? 2 times means how much here? 8. 8. Now how much coming now? 2 is coming. Again take the 0. And how many times now? Multiply 5 times, right? 5 times multiply, then 20 will come. and then what is remaining? 0, right? Remaining 0. Now this is the result of which one? This operation. All of you clear now, right? So now how much now? 3.25. Okay, 3.25 guys. The same way 13 floor division I am giving 4. You can see now only 3 is taking at the point value. That is difference between division and floor division. Division and floor division. Okay, right. Next one, modulus is there, right? A10, right? A10, A modulus B, guys. A modulus B, how much now? 0. A modulus B, how much coming? 0 is coming, guys. 0 is coming, right? Now, how 0 is coming, sir? Let's take same above example. 13 modulus 4. 13 modulus from much now 1 is coming, right? All of you observe the same above one. 13 modulus 4, right? 4. That means we'll take same again here 4, and let's take 13. Okay, 13 guys, like this. Now how many times multiply 4 threes are, right? How much now? 12. And how much remaining? Remaining 1 is there. Remaining 1. The remainder value is the result of this one. Remainder, guys. Remainder value. Okay. Either division and floor division. Suppose let's take here either division or floor division. They take this result. This result. Okay. But this modulus operator will take which result here? Remainder result. This result, all of you. So either division or a floor division, they take this one as a result, this value as a result. The remainder will be which one? Modulus operation. Modulus operation. Okay, remainder value. Let's take suppose some 17 modulus 3. Right. What is the remainder, guys? Let me know. What is the remainder? All of you guys. What is the remainder here? What is the remainder value? All of you guys will reply. What is the remainder value here? Remainder, Surendra at 51 now. Why 51 will come here? Surendra Reddy, you are multiplying this one. 70 to 3 is 51 now. It's not a multiplication, it's a modulus, right? Remainder value will come. What is remainder? 2, right? So 3 5 is how much? 15. 15. How much remaining? 2 is remaining, right? 2 is the remaining. So answer is that 2. Okay, over. And last operator is there, exponent, right? Exponent. See, 4 exponent 3, guys. 4 exponent 3. 4 exponent 3, right? What is the answer now? What is the answer here? 4 exponent 3. What is the answer, guys? 4 exponent 3. What is the result? All of you guys, we reply. 4 exponent 3. So here exponent means is like a power operation, guys. Power operation means 4 multiply itself only how many times? 3 times. The 4 multiply itself 3 times, like 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4 into 4, right? You can see now 64. Exponent means a power operation. Okay, 2 power 3, 3 power 4. We know that one, right? Let's take a 5 exponent. I take the 4, guys. Now 5 exponent 4 means 5 multiply itself only. 5 multiplied with 5 only. But how many times? 4 times, like 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. How much this one now? Something 625 like this. 625. So like that, these are the operations. These are the arithmetic operators, guys. Arithmetic operators. All of you, all of you guys. Next, assignment operators are there. Assignment, assignment operators, right? So assignment operators will take little bit time, guys, because we don't have the more time. We have the only 5 minutes time. So let's go with the membership, guys. Now let's go with membership now. All of you, membership is two types only. It takes less time to discuss. Membership operators. Membership operators. Membership means the types are either in or not in, guys. In not in. Two types of operators, in, not in. All of you. So I'm not taking now which one assignment, comparison, logical. There little bit more types are there, but we don't have more time now. We have only 5 minutes time. That's why I'm taking a membership. And next session we'll discuss these all. Okay, right. So membership two types are there, in, not in, guys. In, not in, right. So these two are used to perform the membership operations. To perform membership operations. To perform membership operations. All of these are used away to perform membership operations. And types are which one? In, not in only. Types only, in, not in, guys. In, not in. Right. So when in is used and when not in is used. Okay, let's take one example here. We'll take one example. I take some names, all of you. I take some names. If you remember, on the first day class, I explained one example by using in and not in, guys. On the first day means on the demo session, I explained one example with the in, not in. I take same example again. Sai, okay, Nani. Then let's take some name Satya here, and let's take some name Narayana, and we'll take one more name, for example, something like that, Kiran, guys. Now, so they are used for which purpose here? To perform the membership operations. Okay, membership operations. Now tell me, Sai in names. My statement is Sai is available in the names. Sai is available in the names. But that's my statement. Now check it. It is true or false. In the names, Sai is available. Yes, Sai is available. So answer is what now? The answer is true. The answer is true. Okay. I'll take one more. Suppose Nani in the names. Nani in the names. True or false? True or false? My statement is Nani is available in the names. My statement is what here? Nani is available in the names. And actually, Nani is available or not here? Yes, available. Available. That means it's also true. It's also true. All of you guys will reply, right? Next, I'll take here one more here. Kohli in the names, guys. Kohli in the names. Now, true or false? All of you guys, true or false? Let me know. I'm taking Kohli in the names. Kohli in the names, true or false? My statement is Kohli is available in the names. Kohli is available in the names. This is true or false now? True or false, all of you? So Kohli in the names are true or false? Surendra Reddy and Kirti, yes, all are false. It's false. Why? My statement is I am saying that Kohli is available, but actually Kohli is not available, right? So it's false. It is false. Next one, let's take here same, guys. Dhoni in the names. Now true or false? It's also false, right? It's also false, right? Next one, I will take here same one here. Suppose Surya not in the names. I'm saying that Surya is not available in the names. In the names, Surya is not available. I'm saying this is true or false now. This is true or false, all of you. I am saying that Surya is not available. False. Very false. You are all giving the false answer. All giving the false answer. Why false now? Okay, okay. Which is coming delay, guys. Okay, okay. So true or false now? It's true, right? Why true? My statement is Surya is not available in the names. Yes, actually Surya is not available, right? So it is true only. My statement is true. Okay. Or I am taking one more. One more. Suppose Sachin not available in the names again now. Sachin not available in the names. Not available. I am saying yes, not available, right? Sachin is not available. Sachin is not available. So true or false now? True or false now? Joshi, why it is false? You are saying answer false, right? Why it is false? My statement is what? Sachin not available. Yes, correct, right? Sachin not available. My statement is correct only, right? So true or false? This is the. It is the true. I'll take one more. Suppose Kiran not available in the names now. Kiran not available in the names. Not available. Not available. Now true or false? Kiran not available. I'm saying that Kiran not available, right? Okay. So it is false. Why false? Actually, Kiran is available, right? But I'm saying that not available. It's false. The last one, guys, tell me now. Narayana in the names, guys. Narayana in the names. This is the last one. Tell me. Narayana in the names. Narayana in the names. So true or false? Narayana in the names. True or false? All of you. Narayana in the names. True or false? All giving the answer false. Okay. Only Muhammad Riaz giving the answer true. Vijay Lakshmi giving the answer true. Joshi giving the answer true. Vaishal Rajput false. Okay. Okay. Muhammad Riaz false sir because n is small. Yes. Python case into Anji. Yes, correct. So this is false. Even though the same name is there, Narayana, same name is there, but Python will check character also whether same character or not. So here the Narayana starts with the capital N, but here the given name starts with the small n. Yes, now both are not same. It says that both are not same. It says that what here both are not same, guys. Both are not same, right? Because Python is what here case sensitive language. Case sensitive. That's why it's false. Okay, all of you. So like this to perform the membership operations, we use what in or not in, guys. In and not in. Right. So all of you guys, right? It's all about which one? Membership operations, right? Membership operations, guys. All of you. So if you like these classes, if you like these sessions, please guys subscribe our channel and like our videos and share to all your friends also. All of you. My request is if you like our classes, please subscribe our channel Narayana Tech House and like our videos and share to all our friends also, guys. All of you. So and one more thing, guys, we are posting some tricky questions, guys. Some small tricky questions in our Instagram also, guys. Our Instagram name is ID is Python Narayana, guys. Python Narayana. Our Instagram page name is Python Narayana. All of you can check there. We are sharing the small tricky questions. And up to these operators, guys, I given almost 100 MCQs given there. MCQs. Up to these operators, I have given 100 MCQs questions there in our Instagram, Python Narayana. Please check there, guys. You can get the more knowledge there from beginning to up to this class. Up to this class, I have given 100 MCQs there in our Instagram page, Python Narayana. You can check there. The questions are there. Plus, we are giving some tricky questions, all giving there, guys. Okay, you get more knowledge. Just go there, follow us, and you can see all the questions also. Vaishal Rajput, sir, tomorrow other session start in YouTube at the same time. No other session, guys. All of you, I think you saw on our banner, right? See, it's only 1 hour session, guys. So it's Python only. It's also Python only. But today, tomorrow, some special class. Don't think that other batch starting tomorrow at same time. No, our class only, our students only. Maybe some new students will join. So tomorrow, I think tomorrow, day after tomorrow, guys, it is automation, automation. Okay, by using Python, is scheduled for tomorrow, day of tomorrow. Tomorrow, okay. So fine, guys. So tomorrow, all of you are same class only. But tomorrow, just to talk about automation by using Python, just half an hour only, maximum half an hour, guys. Once it is over, continue again our operators only again. Because some people asked, sir, what is the use of automation, sir? Okay, in interview, some people asked, guys, do you know automation in Python? How to do auto? See, automation means don't think about testing, testing Selenium, testing automation. No, okay, it's a Python automation, guys. And about testing. I'll check the time, guys. Maybe tomorrow or I think Wednesday. We planned not tomorrow. So whatever it is, guys, maybe tomorrow or Wednesday or Thursday, don't worry, our same class continue. Just half an hour, we talk about some special concept only. Just half an hour. Okay, all of you. Right. So fine, guys, we stop it now. And I repeat again, please subscribe our channel and share our videos to your friends. And go to our this Instagram page. You can see all the 100 MCQs questions are there, plus some trick questions are there, guys. You can answer, guys. You can answer all the questions, all of you. You can answer all the questions here. Right. So thank you a lot, guys. Bye. And good night.